Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Tora School Online. Do I also work on small trees? Yes, even though this is not the right question, because the answer is I like to work on good trees. The size really doesn't matter. And this small Sabina juniper is a good one. Even though it is catastrophically neglected, in this bush real pearl is hiding. In order to see that, some work is necessary. First I will cut off all the old wire and then I will slowly start to build the new bonsai. I already styled this tree in the past, but the last 2 or even 3 years it was really neglected in the customer's garden. I will show you the photos in the end how this tree looked when it was styled. And now the time that this bonsai comes to life again is here. In Slovenian language we call this species stinky juniper. It really has a strong smell, but for my taste this smell is just gorgeous. I just unwind the last wire on this tree. Normally the next step would be cleaning the live vines and cleaning the dead wood and painting the dead wood, but because the tree is so overgrown and so neglected, I decided to go with the crown first. I'm cutting off all the weak branches and cleaning the crown and preparing it for wiring. I also cut off the really long and leggy branches. And now, final but very important step in the styling. From this upwards branch, I will try to shape a nice round top. Okay, styling is done, and now I will go back to the beginning and I will clean the live veins and paint the deadwood. And the work is done. And before I show you the before and after shots, I just want to say thank you to all of your support. If you still want, you still can click on the thanks button below or become the member of this channel. Here are the shots. And yes, meanwhile I realized that this was already the third time I styled this tree. But after every styling the tree came back overgrown and neglected. But of course this is not the goal of our work. Our aim is to gain the quality of bonsai after every work, after every procedure. We want that our bonsai trees are better and better as years go by. This particular tree was born for the third time, and I hope that now it will have a nice future. Next spring I'm planning to repot this tree in this nice round pot, which more suits the tree than a square one because of all the movement. And so, with the bright future of this tree, of little ballerina in the pot, we reach the end of this video. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next one.